Hello and welcome to today's Hints and Tips video. I'm Colin Evans, a Senior Applications Engineer for Solid Applications, and today we're going to be looking at moving parts in an assembly. So I've opened an assembly up that we're going to be working on, and I'm just going to zoom in around this area. This part, once I select it, my Feature Manager design tree moves to that highlighted part. What I tend to do when working with assemblies is select the items that I want to be working with, right mouse button click and isolate. I often set up a keyboard shortcut for doing exactly this as well. So this takes me into the isolate mode. It switches off all the components in the assembly except these parts that I want to be working with. I can save this out as a display state, which I'll show you in another hints and tips video. And I can also exit the isolation to bring back all the parts. What I want to do is take a copy of this knob and position it on this valve. So simply selecting the part, holding down the control key, I can drag and drop another instance of this component and it'll be added to my Feature Manager design tree. If I select the part and left mouse button, it'll move the part. If I select the part and right mouse button, it'll rotate the part so I can get it almost into the orientation that I want it to be to help me to position this. So again, I can now go and add my mates, multi-select with my control key down, concentric, let's pull that upwards, rotate him around, this flat face and this flat face, we'll have them parallel. I'll just show you another hint and tip as well. If I middle mouse button on this surface here, with it being a cylinder, you can see my mouse pointer now has changed to being a rotate about axis. So I can actually rotate this model about the axis. Okay, so let's just do that again. We'll have a flat face. Let's get that right, there it is, to flat face, we'll have him as parallel, and that face, and let's find that face down here, and we'll have them as coincident. So that part now we've added is fully positioned. Looking at my Feature Manager design tree, you can see it's it's quite expanded on here. So Shift and C will collapse everything in my Feature Manager design tree. Once I position my part, I can exit the isolation to bring everything back. Double middle mouse button will do a fit, or F on my keyboard is also a fit.